Hello everyone, welcome to my channel www.youtube.com/bestpurchasepro814. Today we will talk about 10 best luxury watches for women with buying guides and reviews. Luxury watches for women are more than timepieces, they are statement of style, sophistication and elegance. For women, a luxury watch can elevate an outfit, add a touch of class and symbolize status and personal achievements. Women who choose luxury watch often seek to express their unique style and taste. Investing in a luxury watch offers numerous benefits beyond its primary functions. Each timepiece in this carefully curated list showcases impeccable craftsmanship and timeless design, ensuring you can find a watch that complements any outfit or occasions. These luxury watches offer a variety of features and aesthetics to suit every taste. Before moving on the top 10 list, subscribe my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/bestpurchasepro814. Don't forget to like the video, share this to your friends. Number 1, Mitchell Kors Parker Woman Watch, stainless steel and PEV crystal watch for women with steel, leather and silicone band. Features Mitchell Kors Parker watch offer elegant and stylish designs. They are crafted from high quality material for durability. These watches often feature sparkling embellishment for added glamour. They come with a reputable brand name in luxury fashion. Number 2, Psycho Watch for Women Diamond Collections with 18 diamond accents, solar power, mother of pearl dial, two-tone rose gold. Features Psycho integrate innovating technology into its luxury watches for women. Psycho is renowned for its exceptional craftsmanship, offer excellent value of their price point in this luxury watch market. A Psycho luxury watch complement every woman's wardrobe and personal style. Number 3, Giorgio Milano Lucia, a luxury woman's wristwatch chronograph, ladies watch with 37 mm case, Japanese quarters movement. Features crafted from premium stainless steel, genuine leather and sphere crystal. Automatic movement known for their precision and reliability, offer various styles to suit multiple occasions and preferences. Giorgio Milano luxury watch boasts elegant and timeless design. Number 4, Mitchell Kors writes women's watch, stainless steel and PEV crystal watch for women. Features they feature high quality material, ensuring durability and style. Mitchell Kors Reuters watch boasts elegant and timeless design, signifies impeccable taste and aligns with the brand reputation for excellence, versatility, catering to diverse tastes and preferences. Number 5, Bulova, Bulova Classic Quarters Ladies Watch Stainless Steel Diamond features timepiece offer exceptional accuracy, ensuring reliable timekeeping. Sapphire crystal offers scratch resistance, preventing the watch face clarity and sheens. Bulova watch often come with a manufacturer warranty for assurance, boost water resistance, adding to their practicality. Number 6, Emporio Armani, a woman's dress watch with stainless steel band. Features each piece is perfectly crafted, combining stainless steel, ceramic, or leather, ensure reliability and accuracy in timekeeping. Iconic brand heritage, versatile style, innovating features, superior craftsmanship. Number 7, Fossil Woman Scarlet Mini Quarter Stainless Steel Free Hand Watch Color Gold Silver Model ES4319. Features offer an elegant design with a stainless steel finish. It features quarters movement for accurate timekeeping performance. The watch is lightweight, making it comfortable for daily wear. Its size is ideal for women preferring small wristwatches. Number 8, Mitchell Kors Lexington Woman Watch Stainless Steel Chronograph watch for women. Features Mitchell Kors Lexington want to offer elegant and stylish design, high quality material for durability and longevity. The brand is well known for its relevant quarters movement. The watch offer come with a variety of color options. Number 9, Fossil Woman, relay quarter stainless steel and leather multifunctions watch color rose gold stand model ES3466. Features water resistance rating suitable for swimming and recreational snorkeling. Offer an elegant design. It is so durable and has stainless steel construction for longevity. The watch features precise quarters movement for accurate timekeeping, brand reputation, and warranty. Number 10, Citizen Women's Eco Drives Dress Classic two-tone gold stainless steel watch, easy to read, write, dial 26 mm model EV1544253A. Features timeless elegance with their sleek design, light eliminate battery replacement, and power them. Reliable Japanese quarters movement ensure accurate timekeeping, eco-friendly technology aligns with the sustainable lifestyle choices. Now we are going to share some customer feedback and reviews. You can see screenshot on the screen, which are helpful for you to choose a good one according to your needs and requirements. Thanks for watching. Join us on our official website www.bestpurchasepro.com slash luxury watches for women slash. Join us on other social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. Subscribe www.youtube.com slash at the rate best purchase pro 814. Thanks for watching.